Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to find the size of unknown angles in right-angled triangles using the inverse trigonometric functions.
Let's see how we can use the inverse trigonometric functions to help us find missing angles in right-angled triangles. So for the first triangle, we have the reference angle theta, and we are given side AB, which is 2 cm, and side BC, which is 3 cm. So looking at the reference angle, we can see that AB is directly opposite to the reference angle, and BC is next to the reference angle. So we have actually the O and the A. So what we need to use is the tangent function. So we have tangent of the reference angle theta equals to the opposite over the adjacent. Alright, so in order to find what is the angle theta, what we need to do is to use the inverse trigonometric function on our calculator. So again, make sure that your calculator is in the degree mode before you press the second function button, and you press tangent and then 2/3, and that will give you the value of the angle, 33.7 degrees. For angles, we always round up to 1 decimal place unless otherwise stated. Alright, looking at the next question, we can see that again we have the reference angle theta, and now what we have is FD, which happens to be the hypotenuse because it's directly opposite to our right angle. And then we also have FE, the 11 cm, that is actually the opposite side because it's opposite to the reference angle. So if we look at what we have, we can see that we have O and we have H. So therefore, we need to use the sine trigo ratio. So sine theta equals to the opposite 11 over the hypotenuse 13. So in order to find theta, again, you need to press your calculator. Make sure it's in the degree mode. Press inverse sine or second function sine 11 over 13, and you should get the angles 57.8 degrees to 1 decimal place. Alright, for the last question, again, the reference angle theta, you can see that your 8 cm is directly opposite to the right angle, so that's your hypotenuse, and the 7 cm is next to the reference angle, so it is the adjacent side. So since you have A and you have H, alright, what we need to do is to use our cosine trigo ratio. So cosine of the reference angle equals to 7 over 8. To find what is the angle theta, again, you use your calculator, press second function or press inverse cosine, right? And you should be able to get 28.955 degrees. Alright, so to round up to 1 decimal place for this, you have to round up to 29.0. Okay, make sure you put the 0.0 so that it is 1 decimal place.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.